Right. Good morning, everyone. What we are discussing last class? Yeah, last class we have started understanding what is Java. Tell me, is it just object-oriented programming language? No. What is Java? Java is a multi-paradigm programming language, right? It is a multi-paradigm programming language. Okay, yesterday we have just discussed about core Java syllabus. There's not much discussion on, so that's why I didn't prepare any exam questions. Okay. Today is the 5th class, right? So people who missed previous classes, don't worry. They're recorded videos. Admin will share you. You people has to join WhatsApp channel for recorded videos. Admin will share you the link. Please join that link. Now I'm continuing previous one, introduction to core Java. Yesterday we started core Java. Core Java is the Java language. It is the first part of full stack Java. By using core Java, we will develop programs and projects. By using core Java, we can develop one complete project to run a business. Complete project to run a business. But what type of project it is? Only standalone. If you want if you want access our project throughout the world, I have to make the project as what? Web application. A standalone project cannot be accessed from other computers via internet for browser. Then to buy products, customers must come to the company premises. He or she cannot buy products from his own house. So for making a project accessible throughout the world via browser or via mobile app from customer's house, we must develop internet or web application. So for developing website, just core Java is not sufficient. We must also use advanced Java, HTML and Oracle as shown in above architecture. The architecture I have shown or as shown in the below architecture. This architecture diagram is there. And what the diagram? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and then React.js. Okay. Now, here who will be there? Customer. Customer interacting with HTML. And the behind of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, what is there? Advanced Java. Behind Advanced Java, who is there? The heart of entire Java, entire project, core Java. Behind core Java, Advanced Java. Okay, let me do one thing. This Advanced Java, I will write here as a heading. As part of Advanced Java, what we are using? Servlet JSP. Super, excellent. So you are studying daily notes, huh? Wow. Next, Advanced Java JDBC. Then behind of Advanced JDBC, database. Database with SQL, PL by SQL. Okay. And of course, tables all will be there. So which database you are using here? We are Java people, so we should use Oracle database we have to use. So this is the architecture also we discussed. Next, as part of core Java, we will learn what database interactions? No. Network interactions? No. Okay. So what we are learning? Java language, logical programming, object-oriented programming, library, project development. So as part of Java basics, we are learning installing JDK, developing Java program, compiling and executing Java program. As part of logical programming, we are developing mathematical based applications. As part of object-oriented programming, we are developing business operations programs. As part of Java library, we are developing learning predefined programs given by Java people for fast developing our applications. Next, as part of by end of the core Java course, we must able to develop one complete project by using all core Java concepts API to perform one real world business operations like Amazon, Flipkart, all the applications we should able to develop. Then we started our first chapter, Introduction to Java, Java Basics. We started first, what is Java, why Java, who invented Java. Okay, what is Java? Java is a platform independent multi-paradigm programming language. Now people may not accept Java is a multi-paradigm programming language. So I want to show the proof. For proof purpose, where you have to go? Sun Microsystem official website, openjdk.org. Openjdk.org. What is the latest version of Java? 21. If you scroll down, you'll find JDK 21. Click on 21. And if you scroll down, you'll find 445. This is the feature number 445. Click on it. And then you can find here, Java is a multi-paradigm language. So I am not showing my talent. I am taking Sun Microsystem. Nothing but Java people given sentence only I am taking. Copy, write down. Continuation notes yesterday. Java is a Jaga we will write today. Java is a platform independent multi-paradigm programming language. It means, I can say 1 minute. Multi-paradigm means Java supports programs development with multiple styles of programming. Multiple styles of programming. From beginning version Java 1.0, from beginning version Java 1.0, it supports object-oriented programming. From Java 8 version, it supports functional programming style. From Java 9 version, it supports what? Modular programming style. From Java 21 version, it supports procedure oriented style, but not fully. let us try to use the terminology used here, okay? Instead of using our own words, data-oriented programming. What the terminology? Data-oriented programming. Suppose data-oriented programming style. Here, we can create program without class and also, okay, without class enough. We can create a program without class. Note, in coming versions, Java also may support scripting, scripting style programming. As of now, not supporting, maybe supports. That's why they advance calling it as multi-paradigm. So the first point we completed, what is Java? Any doubts in this point? Online students? Yeah, Gauri Satish, today is the first class for core Java. Okay. Previously, I just explained syllabus. So that syllabus videos you can get from the admin. Don't worry. Admin will share you recorded videos. Use that link. Admin has shared the WhatsApp channel link. Click on it. There you can find videos. So today is the first class for core Java. Our programming started from today. Okay. Now tell me, Gauri, Arjun, do you have any doubt in this topic? What is Java? This is a definition. What is Java? Okay, Java is a platform-independent multi-paradigm programming language. So multi-paradigm means Java supports programs development with multiple styles of program. So what the different styles of programming it supports? Object-oriented programming style, functional programming style, modular programming style, and data-oriented programming style. It's supporting now 4 styles of programming. That's why it is called what? Multi-paradigm programming language. Okay, then now next, who invented Java? Second point, who invented Java and where? Who invented Java and where? Java is invented by the scientists. Scientist spelling correct? TIEST. Amma, TIST. Okay, let me check in Google. Scientist, spelling characters, SCIENTS, scientist. Mr. James Gosling. Okay, his name is full name is Arthur Gosling. Was born in 1955, somewhere. Images. He James Gosling. Okay. Future Harikrishna. Completely gone now. Right? So he is Mr. James Gosling. Right. So Java is invented by the scientist Mr. James Gosling, where in Sun Microsystems. Sun Not Suryudu. Suryudu. The sun have a abbreviation. Find what the full form of abbreviation. Sun Microsystems. Okay. In the year when 1991. In the year June 1991 actually. Third point. Why Java is invented? Why Java is invented? Already know. Come on. Why Java is invented? Java is invented for supporting what? Business applications, object-oriented programming. Correct, correct. What the problem of C and C++? They are platform dependent. C supports mathematics, C++ supports business, object-oriented program and business. Then what the problem of C and C++? They are platform dependent. Java came for supporting platform independent. Java is independency. Platform independency. Okay. Now my question is, when C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java need platform independency? Correct? My question? C and C++ doesn't require platform independency. Na? Then why Java need platform independency? And C and C++ meant for some purpose, Java is meant for some other purpose. Okay? Tell me, all people are planning to learn Python, but you are planning to learn Java. Why? Because their target is different, my target is different. Their target is data science applications to develop. My target is enterprise applications to develop. I want to work with the business applications development. They want to work with what? Data processing applications development. So their target is different, my target is different. Similarly, C and C++ programs target is different. Java program target is different. C and C++ languages are meant for developing mathematics based and business applications based as a standalone application. What application? What's the meaning of standalone application? An application that can run only in one system. They don't want C and C++ authors. They don't want to make their program accessible via internet. Sir, why, sir? Why they have designed like that? Olden days, there is no computers, there is no network, there is no that much huge, this much communication. So just one business, one run in one shop. Okay, you all customers are coming to my company premises, buying the products here. So where I have to maintain the stocks and sell and buy the stocks? Only in my premises. But slowly, customers' demanding is increasing and business thoughts are increasing. Business people they want to go to customer house instead of bringing customers to their house. So there the people have started thinking about what? Internet application. So initially, when C and C++ was developed in the market, the type of application, the business style is what? Standalone business style. Slowly in the market, they realized that they want internet-based business style. That is where Java came into picture. So Java target is developing standalone applications or internet applications? Internet application. For developing internet application, what feature is required? Platform independency feature is required. Why platform independency feature is required? Please notice one small diagram I want to explain. Everyone, please observe. I want you have the thought process in your mind. You know, every word, every sentence you are learning must visualize as a diagram. Must visualize with a flow of execution. Just platform independence and mama, and should not leave it. Platform independence. 1 minute ruko. What is independency? What is dependency? What is platform? Why platform independence is required for internet application? Explain all the points. Visualize all the points. Then only we have to go to next word. So whenever you study one word in the book, whenever read one word in the book or one sentence in the book, immediately you have to visualize diagram. That visualization is very important. Observe now. I want to draw one small diagram here. This is my computer. Where this computer available? Somewhere else in the world. In this computer, whenever you copy a program or project in this computer, providing access throughout the world, then this computer is called server computer. What we call? Server computer. It is called server computer. In the server computer, I am placing here one program or one project, anything, a program or project, anything you have placed. Now, this program or project placed in the server computer, and this server computer is connected to the network. This is what network. NW means network. Connected to the network. This setup is done. Okay, complete this setup is done. Now, somewhere in the world, you, who are you? Customer. Open your laptop. Assume this is a laptop. Feel, please. Feel. I'm not that much good in diagrams. Laptop feeling coming up. Amen. Laptop. This is a space bar. Okay. Space bar, Alt, Control. Okay. Enter other keys. And now this is browser. You open browser here. This is a browser. And this is address bar of the browser. Hey, where are you here? Here. This is the chair. Okay, this is here. Big hands you have, okay? Now, you type here URL. Listen carefully. You type here URL. URL stands for what? Uniform Resource Locator. Gmail.com is called URL. Amazon.in is called URL. Okay, you type URL. When you type URL, 1 second, I forgot. Your laptop is also connected to the network. Laptop also connected to the network. Then, now when you when you type URL and press enter key, now this request will go to via network, will go to server computer to this project or program. Okay, let me take only program, project, and again confusion. Let me take just a program enough. Tell me. Now the request come to here. Then what should happen here? This program has to be downloaded via this network to where? Client computer. Ardhamainda Raja? It has to execute in client computer. It come to the client computer, execute in client computer. The program came here. So this program downloaded via network into the client computer browser, and it should execute here. This is the internet application. Then we call this program as internet application. IA stands for internet application. Everyone understand what is internet application? A program that is available in the server computer, accessible via internet to the client computer, downloaded and executed in the client computer is called what? Internet application. Got clarity, everyone? Now, the danger story starts now. The confusion point started now. What is that? Tell me, this is server computer, operating system, nothing but platform. This is server computer, operating system or platform is what? This server computer, operating system is platform, nothing but OS is Linux. Generally, server computer operating system will be Linux. Now, what is this computer platform? Platform, nothing but what? Operating system. Generally, the client operating system will be Windows. Good Japan Rabel. The program developed in Linux operating system should come and execute in Windows. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Understand my point? Not possible. Then we call it as platform dependent program. Possible, then what we call it as platform independent program. So first point, what is a platform? A platform is a operating system in which our programs are running. We develop a program in a Windows operating system. It is not executing in Linux operating system. Or we develop a program in Linux operating system. It is not executing in Windows operating system. Then we call it as what? Platform dependent program. Okay, a program we develop under one operating system, if it can execute under any operating systems in the world, then we call it as what? Platform independent program. All people 3 points understand? What is a platform? OS. What is a platform dependent? Cannot execute in different OS. What is a platform independent? Can execute under any operating system. These are the 3 words. Now you confirm. My application target is becoming standalone application. Platform independency feature required or not required? Not required. In which computer I install, there only it will run. Platform independency not required. But my application is what? Internet application. Internet application means it has to download and execute different operating systems in the world, either Windows or Linux or Mac OS. Under any of the 3 operating systems, it has to download and execute and serve the customer. Hence, the programming language that support internet applications development must be what style of application should be? Platform independent supporting programming language. Everyone understand? So why Java should require platform independency when C and C++ doesn't require? C and C++ programs target is standalone application development, whereas Java target is developing internet application. Being an internet application, as an internet application, it has to download and execute throughout the world from different computers with a different operating system. Hence, it requires platform independency nature. Everyone got diagram and explanation? Any doubts? Now, continuation right on here. What? Java is invented for supporting platform independency for developing internet application. For developing internet application. Full stop. An application that can be accessed via internet from other computers with a network call, with a network request or network call, with a network request is called as an internet application. An internet application must be a platform independent, must be a platform independent. It means it must be downloaded and execute in different in different operating systems. Windows, Linux, Mac OS, as shown in the below diagram. As shown in the below diagram. I'm taking two. Okay. Okay, take two diagrams minimum so that you will get clarity. Write down this diagram. This computer is called client computer or server computer? It is called client computer. This computer operating system I'm taking as Mac OS. Now sending request. Now the program is downloaded here, executed, giving output. So it is called platform independent. PI stands for what? Platform independent. Iyengar, did you get clarity on yesterday question? You have asked me yesterday, what is platform independency, sir? Up to theory completed? So the program we developed in Linux can able to execute either in Windows or in Mac OS. So it is called platform independent. and that program is able to accessible via internet. So it is called internet application. So total it is a platform independent internet application. If you want to develop platform independent internet application, you have to use which language? Java. So what is Java? Java is a platform independent multi-paradigm programming language. Java is called multi-paradigm programming language because it supports program development by following different styles: object-oriented style, functional programming style, modular programming style, data-oriented programming style. So it is called multi-paradigm. Java is called platform independent programming language because the program we develop by using Java can be executed under any operating system. 2 points are clear? Fine. So shall I proceed next points? Any doubts, offline students? Everyone clear? So if you have doubts, don't let me go to next point, okay? Because in the next point, I will use previous points. So if you not understand this point, so next points are, if you try to understand, give the, what do you call, confusion. Online students, everyone, if you confirm, then I'll go to next point. Feel free to ask questions in the class. I always encourage you to ask questions in the class. Sir, I don't know English, sir. I also don't know English, na? Right? Ask in Telugu. Ask in Hindi, whichever language. But don't ask in Odia, Marathi, okay? I cannot understand that languages, okay? So ask either in Telugu, Hindi, English. Any of the 3 languages, I can understand. If you are not, I mean, I am encouraging you to ask the questions in the class because your question will help other people also understand the topic, na? So you got one question means all you people have same doubt. So if you ask the question when I answer slowly, other people also will get that confidence to ask the questions in the class. Let us help together, okay? Let's help together. Let's grow together. That is what our target. We all comes under one batch means all our mindsets are same. Either sit silently or talk together. Which one you want? Sit silently, are. If you sit silently, there is no change before course and after course. February 5th before, February 5th after, there is no difference. So if you want to see difference in your life, keep on slowly, you have to speak. Today is the 5th day of our course. Then by end of today class, after 11 completed, you should ask yourself, okay, is there any difference between me before 5th and after 5th? Okay, if there is no difference, then you are wasting time and money. Pack up your things and go back to your hometown. Correct my point? You came to Hyderabad for what purpose? Time pass. Huh? No, Hyderabad is not time pass place. It is what? Career settling place. Your life settlement place is Hyderabad. So the best place in the world to learn IT course and get job in IT industry is Hyderabad. No doubt in that. Okay, so you are in a best place. Utilize it properly. Don't waste time. Were there any versions between 9 and 21? Ramarao, is there any age between 9 and 21 in your life? Directly, did you jump from 9th year to 21 year? Is there any classes between in 10th class to the BTech? Directly you jump? What, Ramarao? May 1995 is the first version released, but development started in 1991. Ramara, is your question answered? Came 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all 10 versions are there. Inamdar, Linux is a operating system. Like Windows, Linux is a one operating system. Hey, 1985. Amma, can you share that link? I want to see where you Google it. What is scripting? Scripting is a one style of programming. That program can be placed as part of another program. We can embed. This is one program. This is one programming language. Suppose say this is Java. I have written another program, say Python. Now this Python program can be embedded as part of another programming language. Okay, now that's it. Then we call it as scripting language. 1995 is released in the market. What is the statement I told? Who invented, where and when? Java is invented by the scientist Mr. James Gosling in Sun Microsystem in the year 1991. It is year. Okay, better write down one more word. And released into the market in the year 1995. Okay, months exactly I didn't remember. May 1995. Vikas Pandey. I will explain. Can you understand now? Do you have that much subject maturity? What okay? Okay means what? Can you understand? I cannot understand. If I don't talk, something means which one? You ask me question, no? What is the difference between functional and procedure, right? I'm saying I will explain you. Can you understand? Do you have that much capacity? That much programming knowledge you have? If you have, I will explain. Yes, sir, please, sir. Then other people cannot understand. So wait after end of the class, I'll explain. Server-side execution means the program executed in server computer is called server-side execution. If program is executing in client computer, then we call it as client side. If the program is executed here, this is called server side. If program is executed here, it is called client side. Tell me, HTML program downloaded to the client and running in the client. So HTML technology is server side or client side? Client side executing technology. Servlet, JSP, these are executing in server or client? Server. So they are called server side technologies. Clear? Online? Students, everyone? Shall I proceed next point? What is the next point? Ramara, it's not possible now. If you can stay till end of the batch, I will explain. If you are leaving in the middle, cannot do anything. A computer that has a program is called server computer. Any other questions? What is grandfather house? Jitendra? A house where grandfather is living is called grandfather house, right? A computer that contains a program and serves to the client is called server computer. Okay, now let's go next point. What are the different types of applications? What are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java? By using Java, what are the different types of applications we can develop? I'm not going to explain everything, just I am giving the list. Okay, some list may understand, may not understand, but don't too much worry about it. Okay, coming classes, everything I'll clear. There are totally around 11 to, yeah, let us list out why unnecessary number. Okay. First one, desktop applications. Right along with me. Desktop applications in bracket standalone. Standalone applications are also called desktop. Number 2, web applications. Web application nothing but internet application. Next, enterprise applications. Enterprise application means one company business application. One company business application. It can be standalone or can be internet. Depends on that company. Enterprise and a company, na? Tata company is an enterprise. Adani, Ambani, enterprises. Naresh IT, enterprise. Okay. Any business doing company is nothing but enterprise application. So then what is web application? Is not an enterprise application? No. Business web application means an application that can accessible via internet. That can be business doing application or maybe freely services providing application. A business application can provide free services? No. Tell me, HDFC Bank is a enterprise. Is it providing free services? No. Facebook is an enterprise? Yes. No, no. It is an enterprise, Rabbi. Google is a enterprise. Okay. Mintra is an enterprise. Amazon is an enterprise. All these are enterprise applications, but they are providing services with a free login. If you want to buy, you are not buying from Amazon. You are buying from one supplier. You have to pay money to the supplier. Amazon is just a mediator. So a company application you develop either to access within that company local, then what? Standalone. Okay, standalone. Or if you are developing a company application to be accessible throughout the world, then what is that? Internet. Okay, then we call that application as what? Enterprise. A application we develop for one company business operations to do, then we call enterprise application. Tata company application, enterprise. Okay, next, bank application is a enterprise application. That can be a standalone application, can be a internet application. Let me ask a question. In Amazon, you are buying one product. That product, to buy this product, you have to do payment. Na? Are you doing payment by cash or by online transfer? Online transfer from bank account. Na? Bank account is again one application. Everyone should visualize. Amazon is a one application. Bank account is a one application. Now, these two applications are connected. Whenever you click on pay or checkout, some button is there, pay or checkout. Once you click on it, immediately it is asking different options. UPI option, next debit card option, credit card option, and what? Online net banking option. If you choose net banking option, immediately your bank website is open. That means Amazon internally accessing Amazon website, internally accessing bank website, or Amazon website internally accessing phone pay app, UPI app it is accessing. Are you catching my point? Then tell me how two different applications can be accessed. How two different applications can be accessed. For that we need one mediator connection. That mediator connection application is called distributed. That mediator application is called distributed application. Distributed application. Distributed application. It is Java application to Java application connection. What the meaning of Java? And same language. Same language application to same language application. Suppose Amazon developed in Java, what do you call bank application also developed in Java. Java application to Java application connectivity purpose, we will develop distributed application. But I want what type of connection? I want the connection Java application to .NET, Java application to .NET application, means different language applications I want to connect. .NET to Java, Java to .NET, Angular to Java, Angular to .NET, Angular to Python, different applications connections I want. Then in that case, that application is called interoperable. Interoperable. Distributed application means the application can provide a connection between only one language to another language. I mean, same language, between same language. Connection to same language. Interoperable application means connection between same language or different language. Different language. So these are the 5 most popular applications we develop in the companies. This desktop application or this web application can be another styles of applications also there. Your favorite application, gaming applications. Games are there. Gaming applications we can develop. Chitti applications also we can develop. You know, robo chitti na, robo vasikar sana, right? So robo vasikar sana also will come into our Java. Now tell me, that applications are called what? Robotic applications. Robotic applications we can develop. Next, testing applications we can develop. And next, we can also develop mobile applications. And next, we can develop big data, Hadoop, and Spark applications. We can develop Pega applications, MuleSoft. Next, data science and data analytics applications. Machine learning. ML means machine learning, or you can write fully machine learning, deep learning, artificial applications. Okay. Now I need to give you clarity. These are the applications are there in the market now. Okay. All these applications can be developed by using Java, also can be developed by using Python. Now in the market, there are 2 languages are run. Number 1, Java. Number 2, Python. All these applications we can develop by using Java and also by using Python. But Java has some limitations in developing data science and machine learning applications. Python has some limitations in developing enterprise and business applications. Are you following? Java has more support in developing these 5 applications. Java has more support in developing business applications. And Python has more support in developing data science and data analytics application. That's why now industry is settled with to develop these business applications. To develop these business applications, what is using? Java. Understand? Next, to develop this data science and machine learning applications, industry settled with Python. Again, I'm telling, both can develop all types of application, but based on their limitations, industry is using the languages particularly. Now you write like this so that it will be clear. I want you write this enterprise application in the dabba, data science application in dabba. These are the main words. Online students, all the people got clarity? See, these applications are, these middle applications are again either desktop or web applications. Okay, so there's no much focus. The more focus will be only on enterprise application and data science application. Okay, enterprise application means the main application we are accessing to perform different operations on the business. Data science is the background application to process the data. So final statement I wanted to write. Everyone finished it? Final statement, let's write. First point, all above applications can be developed either by using Java or by using Python. Java has more libraries for developing enterprise applications. So, in IT industry, Java is used for only developing EA. EA means enterprise applications. Next, Python has more libraries for developing data science applications. So in IT industry, Python is used for only developing DS, data science applications. What is enterprise application? An enterprise application is nothing but an application that can provide, okay, the enterprise application is nothing but the main application that is accessed by clients or customers for accessing this company business operations. For example, Amazon, bank, Google, YouTube, etc. A data science application is the application is an application that process data and it generates recommendations for the client based on his search data. For example, video recommendations in YouTube based on the search content. Hence, in IT industry, some of the projects use both Java and Python for developing the enterprise and data science applications together. So we can say most of the times behind Java, Angular, Java, .NET, Angular, React applications, Python will work. These are all points we discussed in last class. So now I gave you notes. Ramachandra. Now let's go to theory completed. Yeah, let's move to the programming side. So I gave you clarity. Which is important, Java na Python? What is your answer? Both are important. If you want to be an enterprise application developer, learn Java fully, Python awareness. You want to be a data science application developer, learn Python fully, Java awareness. Awareness is important. Okay, one language master, other language awareness. Tell me, in your life, your mother tongue you master, na? One language you master and getting awareness on other languages to live, right? Same story here also. Minimum 2 languages you must include in your resume. My strong recommendation, Java and Python. Java master, Python awareness. If you join Python, then Python, Java, the order. First language is always you are telling, I am strong and have awareness. You are a Java student, Java, comma, Python. You are a Python student, then Python, comma, Java. Full stack Python you learn? No. Full stack Java you learn? Yes. You are a Java student, full stack Java plus Python. If you are a Python student, full stack Python plus Java. Like that you have to plan. Please guide your friends also in hostel so that they will be in a better position. Now tell me, fourth point completed? Right. You please explore more on machine learning means what, deep learning means what, artificial intelligence means what. Okay, just do more explore in the Google. You will get some more idea. With this basic idea, you can explore more in the internet if you are interested. Just read once all points what we learn, so that you can go to the next point. Theory completed. By these 4 points, theory done. Now we are moving to the practicals. Just go through once. Read once what we learn. What is Java? Next, who invented Java? When invented? When released? The next, why invented? For achieving platform independency. Then what is platform? What is platform dependency? What is platform independency? What is standalone application? What is internet application? The next, and then what are the different types of applications we can develop in IT industry? Among them, what applications we develop by using Java? What applications we develop by using Python? What is enterprise application? What is data science application? Okay, and then what are the differences between Java and Python? So this difference between Java and Python, I have gave you assignment. Hope you already completed. Here DS and not data structures and algorithms. Don't confuse. Data science applications. So can I expect everyone finish this assignment? What are the differences between Java and Python? Just add them. Now, let's go now next point. Softwares required to develop, compile, and execute a Java application or program. All points completed up to here? Notes? Anything pending? Okay. Softwares required to develop, compile, and execute a Java program. Tell me, buddy, what are the softwares required? You wanted to play one MP3 file or MP4 file. Just by downloading that MP3 file, MP4 file in your computer, can you run it? In your mobile, can you run it? No. You need one application. You need one software. What you call VLC media player software is required, right? You want to run one image file. To run one image file, you need image reader file. Right? So every application to run, I need one software. So similarly, to develop Java program, further to compile and run the Java program, we need one software. What is that software? JDK. What is the software name? Don't write. Wait a minute. What is that? JDK. What is the full form of JDK? Java Development Kit. What is the meaning of kit? Have you come across this word kit? Cricket kit, badminton kit. Kit is nothing but all the required tools for performing one operation is called what? Kit. Tool kit. You know, when you buy bike or car, you are getting some tool kit now, right? So when you wanted to run your Java program, I actually need to do two operations minimum. Number one, compile. For compilation purpose, I need one tool kit, one tool. I want for execution purpose, I need one tool. That two tools are technically called what? Development tool. So which development? Java development. So that's why the software is named as what? JDK, Java Development Kit. So installing Java software is nothing but installing JDK. Everyone comfortable? Now, second question I'm asking. If you wanted to, first question I'm again repeating. If you want to compile and execute a Java program, I need compiler software, I need JVM software. That compiler and JVM software I am getting by using what? JDK. Okay, done. Now I am ready to compile and execute. Okay. If you want to compile and execute, first of all, you need develop a program, na? Will JDK help you to develop the program? No. What the meaning of develop? Develop means type and save. If you want to type, which software you required? Type. For a typing purpose, what software required? Notepad. What is that notepad is called? Editor. What we call? Editor. Come on, tell me, what is that called? Editor. What is the problem? Any problem? Any throat problem? What do we call notepad? Editor software. Okay, na? Okay, na? Why you are moving head? Say okay. Okay. Bigger, louder. Okay. So slowly, if you internally you are talking, you will become finally Shruti Hasan Rabaya. Shruti Hasan means, you know, Telugu people. Hindi people go to YouTube. Search for what is that movie? Not Shruti Hasan, what is that movie? Race Gurram. There is a movie called Race Gurram, in Hindi also dubbed. Watch that movie today. Okay, tomorrow I'll ask assignment. Tomorrow on Race Gurram movie, I'll ask one question you have to answer. Okay. So please try to open up and talk. Every day you are learning new vocabulary. The basics vocabulary only if you don't speak, going on the classes become very difficult for you. So tell me, first activity what you are doing? Develop. Second activity what? Compile. Third activity what? Execute. For a development, JDK sufficient? No. What I require? Editor. What is that editor software? Notepad. Only notepad there? No. Another also there. Edit plus. Okay, notepad. Notepad plus plus. Edit plus. Brackets. Eclipse. IntelliJ. There are so many are there. But our journey first we have to start with zero. Notepad. Start from zero, empty. I don't want to take any person help. If you wanted to walk, you yourself has to start walk. Nobody will help you to walk. Once you started walking, then techniques you will learn, helping you will take. Yes or no? If you want to swim, you yourself has to move your hands and legs. Don't ask somebody to do that. Once you started swimming, you are moving hands and legs. The people will start giving you tips. Eclipse is meant for tips. IntelliJ meant for giving tips. Edit plus is meant for giving tips. If you know how to write a program, I want fast writing, then we go for Edit plus and go for Eclipse. First program Eclipse and you are jumping from 5th floor. Are you following my point? So indirectly you yourself inviting the problems into you. So you are not learning, you are taking somebody help. How many days you can take the help? Suppose Corona time, do you have any curry shops? Do you have any outside food? Even Zomato, Swiggy also closed. You yourself has to prepare food. You don't know how to prepare the food. Then what do you do? Only drink water and live. If you know how to prepare the food, you have two options. Either you can do by your own or you can take help. So some students in the college level or friends level, in the friends community, Java community, everybody forced to use Eclipse. Finally, you learn zero knowledge. So let's start from zero to become hero. Of course, heroine also. Okay, right? Hero, heroine means what? Expert. If you want to become an expert and independently, if you want to work, everything you have to start from zero. So which editor you are using first? Notepad. Then later, after you got confidence on writing program, compiling program, executing program by your own, then from second chapter onwards, we'll start using edit plus. After few chapters after completed, more confidence you got, then we'll go for what? Eclipse, IntelliJ. Okay, clear my point? So tell me, how many softwares are required for developing Java program? Two softwares. What the two softwares? Number one, editor software. Number two, JDK software. Editor software for developing, type and save. JDK software for compile and execute. Wonderful, wonderful. Wrong answer. Look at here. In my system, I already have in my system already I have JDK software installed. Okay, JDK 21. Now open this JDK 21. There is a folder called what? Bin. Open bin folder. In bin folder, if you observe, there is a software called what? Java. And now I want to ask a question. Observe. I have MP3 file video. To run MP3 file video, I need to open this VLC media player. Na? Double click on this VLC media player. Then it will be open and running for us. And here, media, open file. Then I will select one video file and it will play. Isn't it? Next, I want to run one PDF file, then double click on this PDF and then go to the file here somewhere, open the file, some file, okay, volume 1B, my textbook, open this file. Okay, this is the file open. Are you following? Next, now I want to run some HTML file, then open browser, then the browser I have to access. Observe, if you want to run some program, I have to open the particular software that can run. Similarly, if you want to compile your Java program, I have to run what, Nana? Java C. Double click on the Java C. Merbutega. Hey, when I double click on VLC media player, it opened and waiting for me, right? When you click on Java C, carefully observe. What happened? Open and waiting or open and closer? Okay. Java C is the compiler software. Java. One more software is there called Java. It is JVM software. Double click on JVM. More fast is coming and going. Compiler is a little bit okay. At least it is waiting for 1 or 2 seconds. But Java, open, close. So tell me, can we, just by installing JDK software, can we run compiler and JVM softwares? No, because there are two types of softwares are there. CUI based softwares. Number two, GUI based softwares. What type of softwares? CUI and GUI. CUI means console user interface. For running this program, I need command prompt software. What software, Nana? Command prompt software. To run this program, command prompt software not required. It has its own window. Everyone tell me now, apply this knowledge. If you take VLC media player, is it a command CUI based or GUI based? GUI based. That means it required command prompt software? No. Tell me now. Java software is GUI based or CUI based? CUI based. That means if you run, is it running or holding or closed? Then what I require? I need command prompt software. How to open command prompt software? By using CMD command. Press CMD. Command prompt software is open here. Type now Java C. Look at that. Java C is running. Type Java. Java software is running. So finally, what did you understand? How many softwares are required for developing and compiling and executing Java program? We need 3 softwares. Number 1, what is that? Editor. Number 2, JDK. Number 3, command prompt. Command prompt is called CMD. Please write up. We need 3 softwares. We need 3 softwares. editor, JDK, command prompt. Editor software for developing. Developing means type and save. We have three types of editors. Number one, basic editor. Notepad. Number two, Notepad plus plus. Edit plus brackets. IDE. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. Let me write it down. Abbreviation. What are they? Eclipse IDE. IntelliJ IDEA. There are other editors are there, but other IDEs are there, but these are the popular which we are using in project. For every language, we have different IDEs. For Java, these two are the famous IDEs, Eclipse, IntelliJ. Next, JDK is JDK software for, tell me, for compiling and executing or for obtaining? For obtaining compiler and JVM softwares into our computer. For obtaining compiler and JVM softwares into our computer, and further for compiling and executing Java programs. Just by installing, we cannot run compiler and JVM softwares because they are CUI based softwares. They don't have their own individual window to run. We need to run compiler and JVM from command prompt. Command prompt software for running compiler and JVM softwares for compiling and executing our Java program. You should know the purposes, sir. You have to by heart every statement you are writing in notes. Every sentence, every word we are using in every day our daily class. If you ignoring at just theory, I can ignore, then programs will become difficult. Baby steps are very, very important. If you ignore baby steps, later walking, jogging, running become very difficult. So we are starting with baby steps slowly, then started walking, then slowly jogging, then finally running. When I started running, you will die. Because already I'm going in a basics to advanced. If you don't study basics, then later classes become very difficult. So every time I am reminding you, okay? Don't neglect. Yeah, going on for explaining the flow of execution of the programs and diagrams, I will also use board. Okay, na? Right? So currently board is not required, I'm not using, but I'll use board also coming days. That will make you more easy understanding. Time will be saved. So everyone completed writing? Tell me, in our system, what softwares are available by default? We have by default Notepad. Do I need to install it? No. Notepad is ready. Okay, we have Notepad already. We have Notepad already. Okay, and do I need to install command prompt? No, by default we have command prompt. By default we have command prompt. So now what we required? JDK. So is JDK by default available? No. Mention that point and we'll go for JDK installation. In our computer, by default we have in our computer, by default with OS installation, we get Notepad and command prompt software. Now we need to install only JDK software. Tomorrow onwards, if you are eating chiclet in the classroom, I will throw you out from the 5th floor. Okay? Are you a player, cricket player? You come to the playground. You guys are becoming such a rogue fellows, such a mindless idiots. No respect to the class, no respect to the faculty, no respect to the elders, no respect to the parents. Becoming such a rogue fellows day by day, day by day. Such a mindless idiots. Sitting in the class and eating bubbly gum and sending the bubbles to outside and showing outside to the faculty. Look at me, I am eating bubbly gum. Sitting like in a park, talking to your friends like in park. Why you people are becoming like this? Why you are losing your minimum common sense? The online students, they lay down on the bed and listen to the class. Going on coming days, you will see. They will start camera also. Okay. They'll start camera, they'll lay down on the bed and then listen the class nicely. Like a, a God Vishnu. No respect to the class, no respect to the subject, no fear of the life. Parents are giving you more than sufficient money. You need 1 rupee, they are giving 2 rupees. That's why no fear on the life, no fear of future. Easy money coming, okay? Easily time passing, lot of social media there around you, enjoying the life like anything, no proper plans, no proper targets in the life. Change your attitudes. Now we need to install only JDK software. Now, next point is our 7th point, 8th. Installing JDK software. Anil Kumar, did you just join the class? Okay. Today is the 5th class. Already I have shared the skills required, duration for the course, fees of the course, everything. End of the class, you ask me, I will show you the details. Okay. Nitin, are you not writing notes? I will provide you notes, but are you writing or not writing? Tell me, sir, how to download JDK software? Is it a new topic for you to download options? Do you know how to download softwares? Where? Google. Wonderful answer. Anything you want, you have to contact Google Mata. Google Tell right? Already installed JDK, I have uninstalled. Now what tell me? Exit, this also not required. And now open browser. Ask browser. Browser. Download JDK. Press enter. Which JDK? There are different version JDKs are there. You want old version JDK na latest version? You want to become latest version Java developer. You are Amirpet product, remember. Being Amirpet product, you have to always learn latest version. Be ready to develop projects in the company by using any version Java. Okay, so we are learning latest version Java 21. Just you type in the browser, download JDK, then click on Java downloads. You will come to Java downloads page. To which website? Oracle.com. Okay, would you like to visit an Oracle country site closer to you? Not required, get out. Then Java 21 and Java 17. So tell me, what is the latest version? 21. What is recommended to use in the industry? 17. Adhiksha, understood? You should not use latest versions in the company to develop the projects. There are 2 versions are there, stable version and latest version. Always projects we have to develop with a stable version. Stable version means there are no bugs in the project. There are no errors coming in the project. All errors are resolved. Now it is ready to use. Tell me, when you update your mobile apps, new problems are coming, no? That is called fully tested or not tested? Not tested. Fully tested applications you have to use. So JDK 17 is fully tested and it is available in companies. You have to use JDK 17. But learning process, you have to use what? Java 21. So up to Java 21, all different features there in Java, I will teach you. And I will mention, hey, this feature available from this version, this feature available from this version. So your company using which version, based on that, the features you have to use in your project's development. Okay, now let us try to download JDK 21. Tell me, JDK software is available separately for each software. Java programming is a platform dependent, but Java software is platform independent. Why, sir? I will explain you after programs explaining. Okay, we need some more theory points are there. I push them into the after the program understanding. Okay, platform dependency, platform independency. C++ program platform dependent. Why? How Java achieved platform independency? All these five to six theory points are there. I push them after program development so that more clarity you will get. At this minute, accept one point. Java programming is a platform independent. Java software is a platform dependent. That means we have separate Java software for every operating system. How many popular operating systems are there in the market now? 3. What are the 3? Linux, Mac, Windows. Now, you are which operating system developer? Windows. Generally, no Linux, either Mac or Windows. So, Mac users, you download from here. Okay, you know which extension you have to use, how to install. You are using Mac means you should know. Generally, people use the DMG file. Okay, DMG file download and install. Then next, based on your processor, ARM you are using a 64 you are using a based on 2 processors. Based on which processor you are using Mac, that processor installer DMG you use. Windows people, now you have 3 options are there. You are using 64 version only. X64 means 64 version. You have installer exe file format, and we have zip file format, and I have MSI file format. We will use what? Exe. Clear? Now tell me, first we have to download. What to download? Open browser. What the time? 10:50 already. First let me complete. Open browser and type JDK download. JDK download. Then you'll come to Java downloads page, click on it, and then scroll down, go to Windows and click on exe. It takes very less time to complete. Small budgie software it is. Completed in seconds. Completed. Now click on this exe file. After downloading, it's exe file now. Click it. Then installation will be start. Wait for 1 minute. Small window will come. Ask for permission, give yes. One more window will come. Here onward story will be fast. Everyone watch. Oi. Look, click on next. Don't click on next. Only one time next, okay? Second time next, don't click on change. Here, magnifier. After going to home, you can verify your mobiles. You are in class, concentrate on class. Don't concentrate on chatting. Here, observe, it is showing the installation path. What? C, program files, Java, JDK21. This space between program and files create problem in Edit Plus. While working with Edit Plus, this space creates problem. That's why click on change button and remove this entire path safely. Okay, remove everything and only make it as 1 minute. C drive must be there. Between program files to Java space, remove, make it path as what? C JDK. Click on OK. Then make sure the path is what? C JDK. Now click on. And click on next. Understand? First yes, then next, then change. Now next. Installation started. Takes few seconds. Very fast completed. JDK software is a small budgie software. Completed. Click on finish. JDK software is installation over. Open browser, close browser. Then open the folder where you have installed JDK software. See JDK21 available. Inside you have different folders. Bin folder, conf folder, include folder, jmods folder, different folders available. Okay, na? Where our compiler and JVM software available? Bin folder. What is the compiler software name? Java C. What is JVM software name? Java. Tell me. After JDK software installation completed, you have to run compiler and JVM software from command prompt. Na? Open command prompt. See that is compiler and JVM running from command prompt. Type Java C. Press enter. If you get these options, something like this, No error. Everything is working fine. Okay, like these options coming. Java, see how to use this information coming. That means JDK software is successfully installed and ready to run to compile and execute our programs. Everyone understand? Tell me, JDK software easy to install or not? Can you do in your system today? When you come tomorrow, I want everyone should have JDK software installed in your computer. Okay. Tomorrow we are starting our practicals. Tomorrow we are developing our first program, Hello World application. Are you missing tomorrow class? Saturday, weekend, holiday, right? If you miss tomorrow class, you will face difficulty from Monday. Tomorrow class is very, very important. Please don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow we are developing our first Hello World program. Also, we are learning how to compile, how to execute. Also, we are learning how to solve the different errors coming from the program. So by tomorrow class completed, you are becoming independent Java developer. No depending on lab coordinator. Okay. You have to solve the errors by your own. Don't miss tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today class. Hope all you people enjoyed today class. Practice and come. Online students, any questions? Just check line.
So operating system already.
Awesome.
So can you explain small difference between independent and
Independent means it can run in any operating system. You develop program in any operating system, it will run in any operating system. You born in which state? Where you are learning Java? Then are you independent or dependent? Independent. You can live anywhere you can born, anywhere you can live. Where? State independent. Country?
dependent?
Can you go out of your country? No. So that is called dependent independent. So Windows OS, you develop program in Windows. It run only allowed to run in only in Windows. Then we call dependent. It can go and run any operating system. That is called independent. You have tried by your own lot of network connections and all you have to develop. And it is helping is to develop the API, but it will not, C programs cannot run different places. No. C++ programs cannot download, execute in different operating systems. It helps to develop network application. Connectivity purpose, it will help. But its programs cannot go and download and execute. VLC media player installed in your system. It helps the MP3 files, MP4 files installed in your computer. Using the VLC available in your computer. Can I run in my computer? Not possible. Understand? What computer computer. C++ help us to develop network connections, but it will not help us to develop network application.
Java 21 నుంచి మనము క్లాస్ యూజ్ చేయండి సార్ దానివల్ల ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు
చెప్తా కదా కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్
కమింగ్ క్లాస్
Java C run చేయి కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి రన్ Java C కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయి టైప్ Java C వర్క్ అయితే రన్నింగ్ వర్క్ అవ్వకపోతే నాట్ రన్నింగ్ Gopal, we will learn all editors. Whatever I have given the list, we will start with Notepad and end with IntelliJ. Okay? All editors we will use. Shilpa Singh, please wait. I will share the details. Amma? Not ready.
సబ్జెక్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి డిపెండెంట్
అక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాను ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పా
జావా ఇస్ ఏ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెంట్ మల్టీ
రే ప్లాట్ఫామ్ తర్వాత ఏం చదువు చెప్తున్నావు అక్కడ డిపెండెంట్ అంటున్నావా ఇండిపెండెంట్ అంటున్నావా నీకు నచ్చిన నేను టైప్ చేసినాగా నువ్వు తప్పు రాస్తే నేనేం చేయాలి చెప్పు నాన్న? నేను నీకోసం టైప్ చేస్తున్నా అన్ని, అవునా? ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఏం రాసావు ఇక్కడ? ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రాసావు, ప్లాట్ఫార్మింగ్ రాసావు. ప్లాట్ఫార్మింగ్ ఏంటది అసలు? అసలు ప్లాట్ఫార్మింగ్ ఉందా? ప్లాట్ఫామ్, నాట్ ప్లాట్ఫార్మింగ్. మల్టీ పారాడిమ్. జీ సైలెంట్, జీ సైలెంట్, పారాడిమ్. ఓకేనా? ఓకే.
అంటే దీంట్లోనే డిపెండెంట్ ఉంది అక్కడ అలా చెప్పారు, నేను రాసాను.
Please use this admin number and use that WhatsApp link to join the channel for previous class videos. Okay. Gori Sayed, this is a computer. You install your program here and providing access to this program to different computers. Okay. Then this computer is called server. A computer that contains the project and providing access to this project to different computers. Then we call it as server. Understand, Gori Sayed? And the computer that is accessing this program or project is called client. Server, serving, client, accessing. Web application means that can accessible from the internet, website. If that website is performing one company business operations, then we call it as enterprise application. Suppose one tutorial website you take, that is called web application. One tutorial, just it is displaying the content. It is not providing any business operations. You take bank application. Bank application is a website and providing the operations of the bank. It is called enterprise application. Understood, Dinesh Reddy? Sharat Chandra, folder name you don't decide. It is taken as JDK-21. Okay. exe file. Anusha, you have to select exe file. Click on exe file, it will download. Sharat, you download and install, but you will get an idea. Don't worry, okay? Don't get tension. While installing, you will come to an idea, okay? First, you do it. Don't confuse your brain. Thank you, Anshul Gupta. Raidu, I will share somehow. Why you worry? Why you are worrying about sharing notes? You write notes when I'm dictating. Gori Sayed, use that exe file. Second file. Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow. Please practice and come to the class, okay? Gopal, not required, only core Java.